Hey everyone, welcome back to QuikFood. Today, we're making a delicious milk watermelon crushed ice cream that you're going to love. Let's get started. First, pour 200 ml of water into a pot. Add 200 ml of milk to the water and stir well. Next, mix in 35 ml of condensed milk. Bring the mixture to a boil on low heat. Once everything is melted, remove it from the heat. Remember, don't reduce the amount of condensed milk. It adds great flavor. Pour the mixture into a sealed bag and freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. While it's freezing, prepare some watermelon as per your taste. You can also use other fruits if you like. After freezing, take out the milk ice and crush it to mix properly. Now, it's time to plate our milk ice. Doesn't it look beautiful and delicious? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to QuikFood for more delicious recipes. See you next time.